Hey everyone, welcome to the Percussioner. You're in the Rudiment series, and today we are number 28, the Swiss Army Triplet. This is a really fun rudiment. We're cranking right through all the flam-based rudiments, and as the title suggests, this is triplet-based, all right? This is very similar to flam taps that we looked at earlier. If you remember flam taps, we simply played triplets with flams at the beginning of each triplet, right? Triplet, triplet, flam, flam. With a Swiss Army triplet, we're going to do the same. However, we're going to just change the sticking a little bit. If you take a look, you can do it two ways. You can start with a double right. So we'll have flam, a right-handed flam, followed by a right-handed tap, and then a left-handed tap, and then immediately back to that right hand. So it's repetitive right hand lead, right? Right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. Same with the left. You start with a left-handed flam, left, tap, tap with the right hand, back to a left-handed flam. Left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right. They're really cool. Again, this boils down to phrasing. If we simply play flam taps, it has a feeling, right? It has a phrasing. Just by changing the sticking to these Swiss Army triplets, we can change the entire way this phrase feels. Flam taps, Swiss Army. Okay, it's really fun. It's a good one to actually pass around the drum kit. It's a really fun one to play around that. So let's go ahead and get into a little exercise. Let's gonna single out each hand and then sort of get it into the flow, all right? Let's check it out. Okay, we're gonna start at quarter note equals 50 with a triplet subdivision. We're gonna begin by playing without the flams. Make sure our triples and doubles are lined up properly. Then we're gonna add the flams, and then we're going to extend it out, all right? So, as always, exercise along the bottom of the screen. Pay careful attention to the sticking. Here we go. Quarter note equals 50. 1, 2, and 3, and go, and right, right, left, right. Adding the flams. Left, left, right, left. Flams. Extended. Right, right. One, left. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Right, left. Very good. It's always challenging to go that slowly, so make sure you really spend time, make sure that everything is lined up here. One thing you'll notice, we have the initial flam, the tap, then the left hand is a tap, and then it immediately has to get ready for that grace note. So you're really playing double, double, right, right, left, left, with a little bit of an overlapping. These are just overlapping doubles, much like flam taps, right? Flam taps are overlapping triples. Let's move that on up to quarter note equals 65. 1, 2, here we go, and right, right, left, right. Flam. Left. 1, left, right, left. 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1. Very nice. We're going to keep on moving on this. This is quarter note equals 80. 1, 2, 3 and a go. Left. One, left. 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1. Very good. Again, only take this as far as you're comfortable. Make sure you stay in one of these slower dynamics for a little bit. Make sure your hands are really comfortable before we start going too fast. This is quarter note equals 95. 1, 2, here we go. Left. One, 2 and a 3 and a 4. Right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. As we go forward, especially with the triplets without the flams, make sure that you're really getting good triplets. Triplet 1, triplet 2, 3 a 4, 1 a 2, 3 a 4. Same with the left. 1 a 2, 3 a 4, 1 a 2. And then we're not getting 1 a 2, 1 a 2. Really? Triplet 1, triplet 1. This is quarter note equals 110. 1, 2, here we go. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, left, left. Very good. Going up again, quarter note equals 125. 1, 2, triplet go. Left. Right, right, left. I think I might have said the wrong hand in there. Go back and listen, see if you caught me there. Next we are going to move to 140. I'm going to take that triplet off now. Just really listen to the pulse. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Left. 2, 3, 4, 1, left. Very nice. Go up to 150. Really watching for those overlapping doubles. Once we start getting moving on this, you can hear just double strokes. We'll take a look at that in the advanced exercise. This is quarter note equals 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 1, left. Very good work, everyone. Make sure you check out the advanced episode, I guess, video. We're going to have a special guest in Rob Dillon, who's with the Third Coast Percussion, and he's going to play some Swiss Army triplets for us, and then we'll get another exercise working more on that overlapping doubling, all right? Hope you're having fun. Check you later. See ya. Okay, just for fun, we'll do quarter note equals 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Left. Very good. See you later.